Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to set password in PDF files. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just opened some PDF files. So this is my important PDF document over here. So I just want to protect this document. What I have to do here? So within a single click, I can able to protect this file. What I have to do here? Just open Google Chrome and just type I love PDF. So once you type I love PDF, there will be a link. First link will be open here. So I love PDF. Just click the link. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to this website. So here there will be a all PDF tools will be available. So just select the all PDF tools and there will be a drop down menu called PDF protect PDF. So just hit the button protect PDF. There will be a protect PDF files page will be open here. Just select a PDF file over here. So once you select, automatically it will ask you to where your files are located. I just go to files and I just select the document, click open. So automatically it will open with the PDF file of document and it will ask you for the protect PDF password. So just give the passwords a simple password with options and repeat the same password, whatever password you have. So you just repeat the password over here. So your password should be in a strength and things will be there. So just give the password and just click the protect PDF. Once you click a protect PDF, the protect PDF has been ready. So if you want to download this, just click a download. So automatically it will download in your laptop or desktop. So just click the file location and just open the file, that is document protected. Just click open. So automatically it will ask you for the protect PDF password. So enter the document password. Once I enter the password, automatically it will open. If I'm enter wrong, means the password is incorrect, will be open here. So I just want to click a correct password. Just type a correct password and enter, means my document will be open here. So this is the easiest and simple way of protect the PDF and you can send to your clients. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.